Choosing the right size lasts can make all the difference when making your first pair of shoes. So we've created this shoe size chart to help you get started. Here's how it works. First of all, you're going to want to print out this PDF in either A4 paper or US letter paper. We recommend you print it at 100% and always be sure to check the scale checker in the bottom left corner to make sure that it's printed at the right size. Start by placing the page flush against a flat wall. Next, you'll want to place your foot on the page with your heel right against the wall and take your measurement to the nearest millimeter. It can help to use a straight object, like a book, to help you get an accurate reading. Enter your measurements into the box, and you'll want to be working off whichever measurement is the bigger size. Next, we'll need to do a few calculations. For the sake of this demonstration, let's pretend that I want to get a women's flat last. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my foot measurement into the first box. I'm then going to add 6 millimeters to help us create a little bit of space within the shoe. With this new measurement, I'll then go to the table below to select the most appropriate size last for my measurements. 231 puts me right in between a size 36 and a size 35. Now, because I've come between sizes, I always like to drop down a size, which means I'm going to select a size 35 last. Now, if you're still not sure of which size is going to be best for you, my #1 tip is to size down, but if you would love a second opinion, feel free to reach out and we'd be more than happy to help.